Right, we give you guys a magnetic set, a set of two. They give you a small one. This is a pen size. It stretches real long, a couple feet, and then they give you this longer one. And not only that, it has a grip itself. All right, and on top of that, they give you an actual flashlight too. So pretty powerful, picking up metal objects. All right, they could even pick each other up, like I said. And we're gonna stretch them out to see how long they stretch. All right, we have it long here. If you guys can see how long, the shorter one is a little short, but it's made for like small objects. Still has a powerful magnet in the front of the tip of the head, and the other one has a longer magnet. And we're here at a shop, and a lot of screws get lost in here. So we're actually going to turn on the light in this one. We're going to turn on the light here. If you guys can see, a very powerful LED light. And then we're going to stretch it out because those that have back problems or anywhere. And we're working at the shop there. A lot of screws get lost. And if you guys can see, we're going to go under a table. Easy to get screws. See that little metal piece right there? Grabbed it. Perfect. Grabbed it. Perfect. Got the perfect screw. You could go under the table. Find any other screw in there that you can see now. Another screw right there. If you guys can see that. This is perfect for those that are working in the metal shops or drop any kind of screws or any other parts that are made of metal. So easy to use, comes in two parts. I hope you guys enjoy the video.